So a quick recap of the communication or the handshake that is happening. This is the server, this is the client. So client will contact the SSE endpoint. Okay. And then, so here, server will give back the session ID. And this connection is going to stay connected throughout. So unlike normal HTTP connection, we will not stop the connection. This will be the SSE connection. Okay, and then we initialize the session. So we have the server, we have the client, and this connection is on, but client will send an initialize connection. Okay, and next is server. This connection is on, that is the SSE connection, and this time client will send the initialized notification. So this is the SSE endpoint and this is the /messages/endpoint. Okay, then comes the final tool call. That also happens through the messages endpoint. Okay, so far is clear. And then the final response to the tool call comes through the SSE channel. So if your tool call response is very big, a PDF document or a streaming or an audio, video file, etc., it can come to the client through the SSE channel. So the final response comes through this. Is this clear? So this is going to be very, very clear. Now we will begin implementing SSE protocol for our real-world MCP SaaS application. The SSE channel using command line curl, and see here we got the session ID. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save this session ID for our further communications. Okay, so this ping you can ignore for now, that we will discuss in subsequent videos, but this session SSE channel has been opened on this terminal screen. Now let's simulate the client interaction, and finally we are sending the tool execution payload. Pressing enter, sending the tool execution, we are executing the fetch tool with the URL as the argument. And here on the SSE channel we have the reply. This is the response from the tool which is fetching the URL. Clear? So this is the entire flow. If you have any questions, please come via the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.